Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it seems that we can't get to the phone. And I know it makes no sense as you walk out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months, and for some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishes you will still hear. And I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio?